और इस फिल्म को कोई भी रोकना चाहता है, मैं तो खुलेआम बोलता हूँ, उससे करप्ट आदमी इस दुनिया में बन गया।
This is what Anurag Kashyap had to say for all the censor troubles he has been facing with Urta Punjab. Recent one being the news of Censor Board asking the makers to remove the word Punjab from the title and the film and asking for 89 cuts. Some say that it's not true, these are just rumors, while others say that the board did ask them to do the same. Spotboy told you how the Janta has reacted strongly against these apparent censor board demands, and now we bring you what the industry has to say about it. Starting with Anurag, he tweeted,
I always wondered what it felt like to live in North Korea. अब तो प्लेन पकड़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं.
Spotboy spoke to Mukesh Bhatt to know his opinion on this. He says, the word freedom doesn't exist anymore. Sad to say, but true freedom of speech has been taken away. India is in the darkest period in terms of creativity. Censor board is asking for ridiculous amount of cuts. It's not Prahlad Nahalani's mind this time. He is playing a stooge to the people in command. It's a shame. The day is not far when American culture will prevail upon us and American films will be seen instead of Indian films. And I would blame only and only the present government for doing so. While Karan Johar tweeted, Urta Punjab speaks of the reality of our times. Censoring reality amounts to delusion. The fraternity has to stand by what's right. Spotboy also spoke to Sheetal Talwar, producer of Shahid's Mausam, to know his opinion. This is what he had to say. Everyone has to match the law. You have to adhere to it. Making controversy around censorship and targeting someone is stupidity. You have to sit logically across the table. I mediated between Anurag and the censor board during Bombay Velvet. Everyone is carrying this too far. The war should not be fought in the media. Even when I faced problems with Ran, I resorted to legal course. Either you challenge the law or don't challenge what Prahlad Nilani is saying. Don't target a person, we belong to the same fraternity. Meanwhile, we also spoke to Zoya Akhtar, who was shocked with the developments. She says, which world are they living in? This is sheer craziness. They allow adult comedies with fewer cuts. Wonder how they don't have a problem with those films. Spotboy also spoke to Ashwini Iyer, director of Neel Bhatte's Sannata. This is what she feels about the entire subject. I am pretty new to the industry, but I feel storytellers should tell stories they believe in as they are.
Shekhar Kapoor, who has had his fair share of trouble with the censor board, feels that the only way out is to fight for what you believe in. Censorship in India has always been like this. You just have to fight. If you believe in something, then just go for it. When I did Bandit Queen, we had to go to the Supreme Court to get the film released. But I decided not to release Elizabeth here because they wanted to censor it. Veteran writer Salim Khan says that films reflect society. He elaborates by saying, there is a drug issue and that's why the film is showcasing it. Can they deny that there is an issue? They say that crime is being shown in films. Crime first comes in society and then is shown in films. Corruption first enters society and then is shown in films.
For more on Bollywood, like, share and subscribe.